how to build something people love. Currently, I'm scaling a community that has 24K MMR. We've added 8K this month, and people love this product because the main way that we grow is through affiliates. Well, it says school network, but that's really ads that gets attributed to you. Anyway, it's through affiliates, and it's the simplest way that like everyone that's like tight on school knows, but not that many people on the outside, which is just talk to your customers. And I think the person that does this best is just Sam himself. I used to be able to just message him. I remember one time I blocked him for like 3 months, but he still didn't block me, you know? And that's good because not for me, not for my ego, but for him, because then he gets to know the stupid little kid's opinion on stuff, which gives him another layer of perspective. I think one of my favorite things I've ever learned from Homozy is different coats of paint on a problem. Like there's so many angles that I could tell you about in terms of community, for example, just because I've been doing it for so long that I have like 15 different iterations that I could run you through. And I think talking to your customers just gives you that on the crack because you can ultimately like you can't come up with all of that from all of these different perspectives on your own. You just can't. Also, that way you can actually see what they want and they're the ones you're selling, which it's useful to know what they want because it's what they buy. So number one way, just talk to your customers, bro. Ask them what they want, build up what they want. And when I talk to Garrett, he's like, yeah, it's all I do is I wait for them. Sorry, oops. I wait for them to ask me something and then I build it. It's like he's not sitting there in the lab like cooking something up. He just talks to them. It's so stupid. But people, it's something I forget too, But you should do it. All right, bye.